I am Manashwini. Today I am here to discuss about my social internship panel presentation. I am from CSC department. I am working on the internship mode at remote and I am interested in the domain agriculture. There are some linked SDGs for agriculture in our village. Firstly, I would like to tell about the SDG 1, SDG 2, SDG 8 and as much of sustainable development goals. There are sample activities for agriculture in our village like soil testing, organic farming workshops, water conservation, health camps for farmers, market leakage support, agriculture for the students, plastic free farming campaign. There are some relevance of agriculture activities in our village like farming is the primary livelihood, local challenges exist, youth engagement is needed, health and environmental matter, empowerment through knowledge. And there is my presented 7 days journey learnings and their hurdles. I have worked on my agriculture domain at my 7 days journey. I have learned lot of things from there. There are some learning experiences from my internship, like I have much interested in understanding rural agriculture and also at community engagement skills, sustainable farming awareness, problem solving in real context, teamwork and leadership, social responsibilities, adaptability and patience. There are some challenges like resistance to new practices, limited awareness, resource constraints, language and communication barriers, weather and seasonal limitations, health and safety issues, market accessibility. We know how challenges were solved as I have solved my challenges like farmers not ready for new ideas. Showed some real examples at downslide while I have interviewed them and they have shared an experiences with me as a lack of awareness use so for that I have used posters, local languages and easy explanations to teach the farmers and they have challenge like not enough resources with any proper resources they are suffering from agriculture. For that I also have challenge or like informed farmers about government help and support programs and some also faces with language issues. I took help from local people to translate and explain things better. There are weather problems, changed plans to fit the weather, and focused on indoor learning and needed. And selling crops was hard. Get farmers to use local groups. Identified problem. My intervention is despite agriculture being the formal livelihood in our village, farmers faces like low productivity, limited access to modern resources, insufficient water usage, and weak market leakages as observed through field services, farmer interviews, and local project assignments during internship. Field visits and observations. I have farmer interactions and surveys, data collections, awareness sections, resource mapping, community engagement, practical demonstrations. These are the steps taken to understand and address the issue at my village of the agriculture process. The actions implemented to treat the problem is awareness campaign. We have conducted a section explaining what soil testing is and why it is important. Used simple language and also sample collection of collecting the samples of soil as how much depth and quantity, lab testing, result interpretation, follow guidelines, benefits observed. Farmers became more aware of social condition, reduced use of unnecessary chemical fertilizers. Observed outcome soil testing support in our village is improved fertilizer use, increased awareness, better crop planning, shift toward organic inputs, community interest group. Short case, I have interviewed a person called Mr. Ramesh, a farmer. He has 2 acres of land and he has a problem with fixed amount of fertilizers. So, uh, and there is a documentation and impact food the persons I have interviewed and there is a form of signed stamped with panchayat and then I have created some posters and reels of surveys at agriculture. Firstly, I will post an post of regenerative agriculture and also hygiene steps what should be followed. And next also, thank you.